This is Courant, an upcoming brand that represents a niche category in the tech accessories market, premium high-end wireless charging pads. In this video, we will be reviewing the Courant Catch 3 wireless charging pad, one of the main products in their lineup. The Catch 3 is basically an extension of the single pad design, having a wider surface area as well as a tray for placing everyday carry items. The build quality is everything you should expect from Courant, made of a premium Pebble-Grain Italian leather as well as a matte aluminum body on the sides and bottom of the product. In the box, you also receive a high-quality nylon USB-C cable along with a power adapter. The Catch 3 also features a USB-A port to charge your devices through a standard cable connection as well as pair it with a secondary wireless charger. In this case, I connected it with the Courant Catch 1, which allowed me to charge 2 devices at once with no issues at all. The design is what you're paying the premium for. Its aesthetics are beautiful to look at and blends into pretty much any modern living space. The fit and finish all feel very robust and with no blemishes. The interior features a 3-coil setup, each with a 5, 7.5, and 10 watt fast charging output for all Qi-enabled devices. I was able to fast charge my iPhone X to full in about an hour with the Catch 3. In a crowded market of wireless chargers, the Catch 3 stands on its own with a classy simplistic design and high-quality build in a tight, cohesive form factor. The Catch 3 by Courant is available now and can be purchased on BrandsWalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.